I'm Brian Wright. I'm the auto shop teacher here at Agoura High School. What makes the auto shop program here at Agoura High School special is that we're working on classic cars and only classic cars. I want students to be able to solve mechanical problems, and with classic cars, pre-smog, so pre-75, they get to look at a problem, assess that problem, and then fix that problem all within a class period. It's so important for students to learn how to work on cars. First, to do the easy stuff like oil changes and change a tire, but cars aren't going away. We're gonna need to know how to do this stuff. And this work is really AI proof. So the work of an electrician or plumber, carpenter, and a mechanic, those jobs will be around forever. So this is where students can learn those skills. We have a lot of interest in auto. We have students from all over that will see the work of the shop and come on over, run over, and see why the sparks are going and what the noise is and the sounds are. We started off last year, we only had 35 students. This year we have 75, so we've doubled. And then next year we have 120 students. So pretty exciting to see that there's interest and support. I'd love to see, for the future of Agoura Auto Shop, I want as many students as possible up here. I want a lot of builds per year so that students can kind of choose what team they want to be a part of, and they're always busy. So I want them to be able to learn Chevys and Fords and a bunch of different applications so they can find their interest and find their passion. Support from Boss Audio means the world to us, so without it, we wouldn't be able to have the budget and just have the interest and have the relationship. So it's kind of twofold. The students get to work with incredible equipment, but they also get to see the relationships form. And at the end of the day, it's about the people we work with, and it gives these students the opportunity to work with some new folks and amazing folks at Boss Audio.